Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing, fellas? It is that time of day. It is time to go live. Let's do this. Good morning, Niles. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. Market only goes up. That's correct. That is correct. Carolina, good morning. R5 Studios, good morning. Darren Koss. Vincent and Ella, good morning. Jake Dell, good morning. All right, fellas, let's do this. Market is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy market. Oh, man. I'm a little bit sad. I got my Tradeify Live account. I should be up 500 on that account. I should be. I literally missed my target by 3 ticks, and then I got stopped out. Can't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Good morning, Vincent Ella, Jake Dell, Jack, Todd Timmons. Good morning, Kevin G. Good morning. Scratch Your Itch Trading, Bruce Lee, Jay Persky. Good morning. John. John is in the building. Good morning, John. Best Guest Trading, Jack Wiley. Man, this market, I don't know. This is probably going to be a pretty short, well, it is going to be a pretty short stream because yours truly right here, I might have an early tea time today. I might be. I could tell you guys I've got something else going on, but, you know, we do have an early tea time. I have a tea time at 11:30. So, hey, my golf game is coming around. I am starting to feel pretty good about where I'm at. I don't know if that is good news or bad news because last year before the Amish Open, the day before, I shot my best round I ever shot, and then it kind of fell apart the next day when I was playing. So I don't know. I'm not sure if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but Mark Brandt, RXHX, good morning. All right, I am going to, okay, first of all, a little bit of it. I forgot to do a recap. I did not have time. I had to make a errand run, but we got our Apex accounts that were passed. These 6 accounts, we're going to classify these as aggro accounts. When I say aggro, I mean I'm going to trade on these 6 accounts alone. I'm going to trade anywhere from 5 to 20 micros per trade. So 5 to 20 micros, and I'm just going to look to be a little bit more aggressive, and I like to aim for around $800 to $1,000 a day and just see what happens. See what happens. You know, what could go wrong? Design Knob is in the building. Dan Deloy Dan, Terry W, Sorrell, Daniel Rosenstein, Krister, good morning. Wow, look at that rip. Man, this market, I tell you what, look at this. How do you guys trade all-time highs? How do you guys trade all-time highs? This is interesting. Joom, Kiss Me I Cooked. Let's go. Let's go, Kiss Me I Cooked. How we doing? Good morning. Good to see you. Appears to only go up. John says, I sell until I'm liquidated. How is the live account going? Whoa, look at that thing go. Man, I tell you what, we got to be getting a pullback here, but I might take it. Man, we're all the way up to the 2460s. Look at that thing go. Man, I was hoping we'd get a pullback maybe down to the 990, 24,000. I was really hoping we would get a pullback, and we might not, man. Oh, this is crazy. Hey, good morning, Almighty, Mr. Pushup. Good morning, Max 90, Snowman. Do you use the Fibonacci? Yeah, I mean, I think that's one way to do it as well. But man. Come on, let's give me a pullback. You do switch pivot points on for the up moves? I see. Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, for me, as far as for me, how I trade the all-time highs, I just assume it's going to keep going up. I assume it will keep going higher until I'm proven wrong, I guess, which has its downfall. Has been. I've definitely gotten wrecked with that mentality, but that is how I do it. Might not be the best way, but I don't know how else to do it. All right, come on down, Papa. Come on down. Don't just go. Jeez. Seems like 24,045 retrace can lead to a longer further down. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Wall Street. Terry W says very cautiously. How is the live account going? My live account with Tradeify? I mean, we're just hanging around. We're just hanging out. I'm kind of disappointed because I should have had my $500 locked in. Missed my profit target by 3 ticks. Ended up getting stopped out for a $300 loss. So little, just a tad triggered on that, but hey, so it goes. I need this to pull back at least to the 2430s. At least to the 2430s. This is where it's so difficult to be patient for those pullbacks because this market, when it's all-time highs, like it can just literally keep going higher with no pullbacks, and it's very frustrating. It's a very frustrating way to trade because you just feel like you're missing out. You're missing out, and then you finally jump in, and then it starts to pull back. And usually then the pullbacks are usually a little bit more of a pullback than you anticipate. Did you consider moving your stop break even when your trade got to within 3 ticks? Will Grimmer, no, because that was one of those trades where I entered the trade, I put my stop loss, and I put my take profit, and I left the room. So not until I came back, I realized I was stopped out, did I see that I was 3 ticks close to hitting my take profit. If I was sitting at my desk, yeah, I would not have allowed that to happen, which it's a catch-22 because there are times where, it actually helps me to walk away, but other times like that, I feel like if I would have been watching the trade, I would have would have prevented that from happening, but man, am I actually doing this? Are we just gonna jump in here? I mean, I guess we are. This is wild, but this is wild, but I just don't know what else to do. Now, if we don't, all right, we did make new highs there, but not by much. Don't like it. I don't like that. I'm getting out. I am getting out. Don't like how that reacted. It basically wicked through the highs and then do we have news? I need to check. Do we have news? Oh, President. Oh, would you look at that? Our good friend Orange Man, President Trump speaks. Orange Man is speaking at 11:15 today. And it's an orange folder event. Oh, you can't make this up. All right, I might take another stab here if this holds. If this holds. When he talks, it's always a red folder. Yeah, you would think it usually is. Lawrence Harris, good morning. Mahendra, good morning. Yeah, sorry, I had a ghost order on the Apex. It's fine. Those are just ghost orders. Yep. I didn't see it until just now. Ooh. Ooh, you know what? I need to change Lucid. All right. I mean, I might have been a little too trigger happy on this one. The way this is holding up, I might. I want to take another. As long as this 40 level holds. Oh, come on. I probably need to be trading with a stop here. Trying to think, how aggressive do I want to be here? How aggressive do we want to be? Okay. Okay, we made a mistake here, possibly. The problem with all-time highs. The market only goes up until it doesn't. Market only goes up until it doesn't. Give me a big pump here. Just rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Don't fake out here. Come on. Come on. If this fails here, we're in trouble. We need a big green candle right here. Ah, come on. All right, I'm gonna. Gosh, I'm gonna try to be patient here. Gonna try to be patient, but it's testing me. Dang it. No. What? NASDAQ, come on. I don't like this. Yeah, we're in trouble. All right, let's see if we get a bounce off of that 15-minute low right now. Does not look that promising. Are we just gonna bleed lower now? It feels like we might. Trying to give it a chance to go, but this is what happens when you trade aggressively. Giving back all my overnight profits. You hate to see it. Got to get a bounce right here. Come on. Now rip it. Rip it. Come on, market. Just go. Give me one of those big green candles. Come on, go. Okay, I'm going to take 5 off there and just hopefully get a runner here. Now go. Keep going. This is where we need to get it back above the 50s. Got to get above the 50s here. Come on, keep going. Oh, come on. You got to give some, get some. Two. All right, we got to get going here. I'm going to kill this. As long as we hold above the 30s, we're sticking into this. We're going to keep this trade alive. If we can break back above the 50s, feel like this has a chance to go to new highs, but we're struggling right now. The bulls seem to be tired. Okay, go, grow right here. Do it. Push. Oh, come on. Get through the 50s. Oh, it can't do it. It can't do it. You feel short biased? Well, it depending on how we, if we don't retest these highs, I'm gonna be a little hesitant on taking longs, that's for sure. Feels like the bulls are kind of taking a break. They might be tired. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's do or die time. Get through those 50s. Keep going. Oh, oh, there she goes. There she goes. All right, I'll take 2 off here, and then we'll keep 3 and just try to keep it going. Oh, really? Don't be like this. If this fakes out here, oh my word, are you serious? Jeez, that's depressing. Now go. Go, baby, go. We have to make new highs. We have to make new highs for the bulls to really be in control here. Yay, filled. Okay. We're going to try to get these 3 to just keep going. My wife is also short biased, hence the marriage. Sorrel. You're funny. Nvidia is dragging NQ. Oh, really? Come on, market. We got to keep going here. But this is one of those trades where I will try to just stay in it if I can until we break this 30 level. I'm going to try to stay in this trade. Just need to push up through the 60s, and then I think we make new highs. Yeah, I don't know, man. Can we get through the 60s? Design knob. If it does pull back, it's going to be fast. I hope you're wrong, but you're probably right. I haven't taken any trades yet, waiting for a shift in market structure and trend before I go short. I know better than to short all-time highs. Yeah, Citizen Zero. Sabak. Good morning, Sabak. Oh, come on. Just pop through those 60s. Feel like if we get through those 60s, we're going to have a rip through the 70s, but gotta go. Gotta go. Come on, man. Go. Just go. Man, it is struggling to get through those 60s. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this just gonna roll over now? We might have to bail. I'm getting out. I hate doing that, but I'm not gonna wait till this thing goes. Oh, man. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate. Look at that big red candle. All right, back to the. What do we do here? I don't know. I don't trust. I don't trust the longs anymore. John Jones, yes. So these 6 new Apex accounts, only on these 6 accounts, we're being more aggressive. I'm going to be trading anywhere from 5 to 20 micros. So that's the plan. Be more aggressive. Going to try to just I don't know. I'm kind of motivated, or I'm going to try to get to a $2,700 payout in 1 month. I actually only did the monthly subscriptions. I did the monthly subscription fee for the activation fee on these 6 Apex accounts, and I don't know. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive on them. I know that with that comes the chance that it doesn't go well, but I'm okay with being more aggressive, and I'm not going to be crazy, but 15 to 20 micros, 5 to 20 micros is what I'm going to do. All right, getting a bounce off of that 410, off the 400s. Nah, I just don't really feel like this. I'm just worried about the longs. I'm worried. I am worried because we had an attempt at new highs and we just could not do it. And now we made new lows. Honestly, I think we sweep this 980 level first before we try to look at going higher. I might actually look for a short here. A short down to the 980s. Does a $70-ish loss count as a normal trading day on Apex? Nicholas, yeah. Yep, it definitely does. Would ranging from 5 to 20 cause any issues with Apex denying you? No. No, I'm not worried at all about that, John Jones. They have a lot of leeway. I actually have never seen anyone get denied for contract inconsistency. I'm not even sure they track that, to be honest, but 5 to 20 is definitely not going to cause any issues. I think the only time that you'll see issues if you're trading like max contracts for 2-3 days and then you drop back down to micros or something. It's those huge changes is where it's a big deal. The 15-minute EMAs can be holding up nice. Okay. Hey, good luck. Good luck, Mahendra. Just feels like I'm just worried that we didn't at least attempt to make new highs there. I don't like that. Yeah, Design Knob called it. Design Knob called that rip lower, man. Nicely done. Joom is in the building. Welcome home. Good to know I was expecting to get denied from a payout I'm requesting today. Oh, good luck, John Jones. Good luck, man. Congratulations on submitting payout. Let's go. All right, I need to, there's a couple. Wow, down we go. Let's see if we take out that 980 level. That level I feel like is going to get swept. And then I am interested in a long. Also, guys, I kind of forgot. Maybe I did mention it, but the take profit trader 40% off deal with a refund of your eval after if you get a payout and no activation fee. That sale did get extended, but they are saying it is for sure ending this weekend. That's what they said. So we shall see. Also, Apex 80% off sale supposedly is ending tonight as well. Supposedly. All right, we are testing the VWAP here. I just want to see this sweep down below the 990s, like basically kind of sweep down below the 980 here, and I'm going to jump in if I see it, if I like what I see. All right, let's be patient here. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna front run this a little bit. I will add here if it sweeps the 80s then. I'm not gonna be too crazy aggressive here. Right now, we need to trap the shorts. This needs to rip higher. Right now, it's not doing that. So we might be, we might be in this a little bit too early. Yeah, okay, let's see if we sweep. Now, I just want to... Ugh. This is where we enter puckering up territory. Got to be on our toes. Got to pay attention. All right, sweep those 80s and let's go. Just don't dump. Don't just rip lower. That'll be scary. Okay, here we go. Okay. Want to see this go now. Really want to see this rip. Got to get above the 400s here. That's it. That's it. Now go. Trap those shorts. Come on, just... Come on, go. It's struggling to get... It's struggling a little bit. Two ticks from take profit on that drop? No way, Citizen Zero. No way. I'm so... Oh, no. I'm sorry, man. All right, here we go. Gotta go. Rip it to the 20s. Trying to decide. I might just have to take this off. Don't want to get too greedy here. Uh-oh. I might not have been fast enough. Uh-oh. That is not what I wanted to see. Oh, this is not ideal. Now, if we don't make new lows here, maybe we can... Oh, man. I wish I would have just taken my profit up here. But if we don't make new lows here, we might still be okay. Okay, that's it. Now go. Oh, I like it. Okay, so now we failed to make new lows, so this might be what we need. No, don't fail again. Market can't make up its mind. Hey, J Trades TV. You all know, what puckering up territory is like. We all been there. All right, I don't like these wicks. I mean, we still haven't really swept down below this 80 level, so I'm kind of want to stay in this. And if we sweep the 80s, I'm going to add 5 more. It's a risky way to trade, though. I'm kind of wishing this would just rip and then we don't have to make those difficult decisions. Pop it. Oh. Hey, John, since you are part owner, since I'm part owner of Apex, can you give us a hint what the next sale will be? I wish. I wish I was part owner of Apex, man. Maybe I need to have a talk with John. John. All right, market. Moment of truth here. This is where things will get dicey. But hey, we said we're going to be aggressive on these and we're going to follow our plan. Plan is to sweep the 80s, see how it reacts. Depending how it reacts, we will either close out or we will add to our trade right here. It's all about how it reacts to that 80 level. Just be patient. Hold. Everybody hold. 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 Everybody hold. Hold. I don't know. I don't like this right now. This is not reacting how it should, but still got time. This is not doing what I wanted to do. This is very stagnant. This is starting to feel like this is gonna just bleed lower very slowly. It's doing like the hope and nope. It's gonna give you hope that we're gonna rip higher and then it just dumps. I've seen this movie before and I don't like it. So we might just have to take the L here. I'm getting out. I don't like it. I don't know. Take the L. It's got to take the L. The longs are just not working out. Watch this thing just rip now. Please don't do that. Whatever you do, don't rip higher. Oh, sorry. It's a ghost order. I need to double check those before I close. Sorry guys, I got it. I got it. Did you or anybody see my question about flip days? Sorry, I did not, Lawrence. Does a slight negative day count as a flip date? No, Lawrence Harris. No, I wouldn't. No, you're talking about the negative $71 or something. Okay, now I'm getting triggered. No. Did I really stop out at the literal lows? What a douchebag. Why you be like this, market? Why? Why must you tantalize me? Ugh. Yeah, I just got scared. I mean, I still don't like how this is. This is not exactly ripping higher. It's doing the hope and nope for the longs. It's kind of giving you hope that it's gonna pop, and then it don't. Then it just keeps making new lows. Not a huge fan of this kind of price action. All right, let's look left. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. We could be, I mean, the 950s is also a very key level, so it might be why. It might also be it might want the 950s. '80s level, yeah. I mean, we didn't really, we swept the '80s a little bit. I don't know. It hindsight is always 2020. I took it off. I'm not kidding, guys. If this is the low of day, I'm gonna have issues. No way. How is that possible? How do I do that? How? How do I do that? Look at that. Look at how precisely we got stopped. We stopped out right at the lows. How? Like it's impressive. If I wasn't already short, I would have shorted there. I short here. Right. Honestly, right here is the channel. This is where the 400s is where you would look for a short if you wanted to short. That would definitely be a good. The VWAP is right there. The 400s pretty critical level. It's a good level to short there if you're looking for it, but I just have a really difficult time convincing myself to short when we're making all-time highs. It makes me so nervous. Design knob. ASH. Just don't tilt. Yes, I won't. I'm fine. I'm not tilting. I'm not tilting, but I'm also not very man, I was hoping I could get those accounts to like $600-700 in profit. Then I was gonna switch over and trade the rest of my Apex accounts. And we might not even get to our other Apex accounts the way it's going. All right, is this going to roll over and make new lows here? Man, I really might have gotten stopped out at the low of the day. The way this is now going, we might have done it, guys. I get the award for stop out at the low of the day. They should have an award or some kind of something for that. That takes talent. If you really stop and think about it, it takes talent to do that. You think we're going lower, Mr. Wall Street? Okay. I kind of hope you're right. It'll make me feel better if we go lower, but I've lost a couple of ticks for the day, but only need 3 flip days to qualify for a payout, so I don't want to trade the accounts anymore today if the minus $10 does count as a flip day. Okay, Lawrence Harris, how did you get to the minus $10? I think that's probably more important than anything. Like, was it one trade of one micro and you lost $10? Is that how it happened? Or did you take multiple trades and you just ended up at minus $10? And we rejected again off the 400s. Please go lower. Just go lower. I would feel so much better if you would just dump. Yeah, I don't know. This is looking... Is there news or something? Because this market's starting to move kind of weird. This market is moving weird. Feels like something is going on. Is Trump... I thought Trump wasn't supposed to talk until 11:15. Oh, okay. Longer term, Mr. Wall Street. Got it. Got it. You're talking about your option plays. Got it. Um, hmm. Uh, I don't know. This... It keeps looking like it wants to go lower, but then it doesn't. So we might also have entered the official chop range. Choppy price action of the day. By the way, guys, my golf game, oh, I'm I don't know. I hate to say this out loud, but I think I figured out my driving. Yesterday had a really good round again. I shot 7 over. So I broke 80. Shot a 79 yesterday. And I drove the ball really well. I shot a 79 and I had a triple bogey on the one hole. So I am, and I had one of my longer drives of the year. It was pretty awesome. Hey, we made new lows. Let's go. All right. Now I feel better about myself. Alpine is hooked on golf. I know, Dab. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, I love it. All right, market. What are we doing? But yesterday, I had a par 4. It was a par 4, and it was a 352-yard par 4. And I hit my drive, and I hit my drive really well. Like, I hit it as good as I can hit it. I saw the ball, and I saw it bounce, and I thought, okay, that's going to be perfect. And I get up there in the fairway. I mean, it was like right on the edge of the fairway. Like, it was kind of bouncing a little bit like toward the rough. So I get up to the fairway and I cannot find my ball. I was so mad. Oh, I couldn't find my ball. I looked everywhere. I mean, I looked everywhere and it just like, it was like the ball disappeared. Finally, I gave up and I just took a drop, hit the shot, and then I drive up to the green and I get out and I'm walking up to the green and my ball is literally 2 inches off the fringe in the rough, 2 inches away from the green. It was wild. Oh man. And I made it was I made the yeah, it was I was driving the ball so good yesterday that I'm actually like a little bit scared to go play today again, because if I go play today and I don't drive the ball well, it's like we're back to square one. But if I get, if I can have another good session today, man, I'm going to feel really good about the tournament Thursday. Right now, what I need is confidence. I just need confidence on my driving. That's what I need. My short game and my irons, my putting, everything is going really well. But yeah, I should probably not say all this out loud. It's kind of, golfing is similar to trading. If you start talking about how good you're trading, you know you're in for a big drawdown. Same with golf. 7 or 11. Oh, TK. You guys are funny. I mean, you guys are hilarious. It's still short. All right, market. 960s. The 950 area is the next area that I'm interested in. All right, 960. Let's see if this holds. Oh, no, it does not. Down we go. 955s, 54s, 53s. She dipping down to the 50s. Wow. Is my WADA not printing arrow signals today, Frank Martin? You know what? Did I turn that? Let me look. Oh, hang on. I can apply it if you want to see it. All right, now it is. Oh, wow. Look at the arrow print right here. That was pretty epic right there. All right, we are down below the 50s. I guess we do have the low of the overnight session at the 920s. Low of day at 920, so maybe that's where we're wanting to go. I'm going to pick this setup. Okay, hang on. I want to find it. Oh, the Hogan Golf, the right-hand club set with card bag. Nice. Oh, it's got the hybrids. It's got the hybrids. That looks like a solid set. Solid set design knob. Zabak. All right, back up through the 960s. We tapped through that 950. Oh. Man, I'm going to look for a long here, I think. Oh, man. Okay, if we don't make a new low here, I'm going to take it. And we make new low. All right, we're going to try it. This is kind of this is kind of a I'm not going to be greedy here. Come on, keep going. All right, I'm going to take that. Can't be greedy when you're trying to catch bottoms. Can't be greedy when you're trying to catch bottoms. I mean, the 940s, I guess the 940 and 920 area is potential to see a bounce. Or maybe we just go lower all day long. I feel like there's definitely a chance that we just bleed lower all day long. And if that's the case, then I need to be very careful, because this is where I can get myself in a lot of trouble. A lot of trouble when I am a little bit too biased. ES has not filled the gap yet? Okay. The gap is officially filled on NQ. Yep. You think we're heading for the 920 Citizen Zero? Yeah, I think we might. We definitely haven't really seen anything to say otherwise. It's just continuous down, just moving lower, making new lows. Why is my account balance different? Oh, I didn't set up. Shoot. I want to try something here. There we go. That's better. Now the balance. Now this is accurate. This is including commissions. I had not set up my commissions. Now it's set up correctly. All right, here we go. Is it going to make new lows? It is. There she goes. 945s. Man, I just cannot bring myself to short this market. I used to say, can't be greedy chasing bottoms in high school. Famous last words there, John. Okay, now see, I like this. Hello? Market, what is going on? Why am I not filled on Oh, never mind, I'm filled. Come on, don't be like this. I'm getting trapped in these little rips higher, and come on now, go. Give me if we can just get above the 60s. I feel like I got a maybe. Ugh. Oh, cannot be greedy here. Cannot be greedy. This is dumb. This is me being greedy, and okay, maybe. Keep going. Man. I'm being greedy, and I just talked about I shouldn't be greedy if I'm trying to catch bottoms. Hey, Ace Undercover. If you take a long here, I'm thinking you're fighting the charts. Yeah, I don't disagree. That's why I'm saying I have to be very careful here that I don't. Gotta be careful. All right, is this gonna hold or not? Gandalf Skywalker, any tip on pulling the trigger on your setups? I'm always hesitating. It's actually a really good question. I struggle with that too. I struggle with being too hesitant. Honestly, it usually it's a sign of fear if you're hesitant, a fear of losing. I don't know how to get over that other than you just have to start forcing yourself to pull the trigger. Force yourself to pull the trigger and just fully accept a loss. Fully accept it. But we might have to take it off here. This is just, I'm going to take my profit. I'm going to just take my profit here. It's just not worth this thing is looking like it wants to go back down. We tried. John. uh and I forgot my ghost order. It's very interesting. It looks like it's setting up for another short, but I'm not taking it. I think I need to start doing that as well. Take a trade and leave it alone. If it loses, it loses. Yeah, that's kind of what it. Honestly, it's a good exercise. Like, if you struggle with micromanaging your trade as well, one of the best things you can do is enter your trade, enter your setup, put your stop loss and put your take profit, and then walk away. Set a timer and don't look at the chart for at least 15 minutes. Allow the trade to work. Allow the trade to work. And it really is important to let your trade work. If you micromanage it too much, it can just end up, at least for me, that sometimes is how I get triggered into a tilt session when I'm micromanaging my trades, and all I needed to do was just let my trade work and it would have been fine. But then you start micromanaging it, and all of a sudden, instead of being in a long trade, according to your initial setup, you're in a short trade and then it rips higher. That's when I get really frustrated. So if I start micromanaging my trades, that's usually when I will walk away, enter the trade, walk away, and come back 15, 20 minutes later and see if the trade worked out or not. I had 2 trades stopped too early and both would have been winners. Yeah, exactly. It's very easy to do that. Okay, we are about to make new lows. Glad I got out of that. Just, man, it's crazy how we have these moves where overnight session we just go higher, and then the New York session starts and we just go lower. Like, we just can't seem to have any momentum to the upside. What's up, bud?
There's an issue with the rabbits.
Ooh, that's an interesting. Now we have a failed attempt at new lows. Is this gonna rip now? Man, I'm so tempted to go long here. We got a failed attempt at new lows. Oh, and I didn't get filled. Dang it. No! I didn't get filled. Kidding me? Well, maybe it's a good thing. Gosh, I'm nervous. I'm being hesitant right now. All right, we're doing it. We're kind of drawing the line in the sand that this 950 area is going to be the low. And if we're wrong, I guess we're wrong. Come on, market. Man, did we just get trapped? This market's being very difficult right now. It's giving mixed signals. Right now, my line in the sand is the 950, 945 area. If this holds, I'm going to look to buy. But if it fails, we gotta get out. It's gonna be a puckering situation again. Man, what a fake out. Man. What a fake out. Eesh. And we might have to bail here. All right, we geez, market. This is rough. Yep, we gotta get out. What a trap. Oh, what a trap for the longs. Oh man, it got me. It got me good. All right, I think it's time to abort the longs. Abort the longs. We keep trying and failing. Man. Yeah, that little dip, this little wick here is what got me. I really thought that thing was going to go. Nope. It's setting up to be one of those days where it just bleeds lower. It's just going lower. And I hate it. I don't like this. And I don't have enough. I don't have the faith. I don't have enough faith that to take the shorts, but unbelievable. Look at this now. This is starting to frustrate me. Starting to frustrate me. Yeah, the overnight lows at this point, the 920s seems inevitable, but look at this. Look at this now. Right off the 930 and just ripping it back up to the 950s now. You gotta be kidding me. Nice, Mr. Wall Street. Oh, I hate when that happens. Look at that. Just right back up. This now might be the man. I hate that. I hate it. Oh yeah, Trump is speaking in 15 minutes. True. True. Like this EMA, we haven't even touched the 21 EMA since this dump. Just going against the trend a little bit too much this morning. Going against the trend a little bit too much. Wow, look at this chop fest. Now it's just a chop fest. Hey, really, Ronnie? What was the reason? Mr. Wall Street. Mr. Wall Street. Trolling. I used 5NQ on the first day of trading. You use 6NQ on the first day of trading. You can't say I'm wrong, Mr. Wall Street. I don't know. I have never seen how much payouts, how much money do you make per year, per month, your consistency. I don't that's what matters. Calling out signals in a YouTube chat really don't matter. What matters is if you make money or not. And I don't know that. I haven't seen it. I assume you make money, but I haven't seen. I don't have any proof. That's the truth. I like you, Wall Street, but that's the facts. if you pass if you pass an Apex account and sign it, but you don't pay yet for the activation, do they charge you for the next month? If you still have it active and haven't activated it, if you haven't activated it yet, and the rebilling amount comes up, like the rebilling month comes up, then yes. Then you will get rebilled for it. So I always try to make sure you activate your PA, your funded or your past accounts until, you know, but and it's again trying to it's trying to trap me into taking a long here, and I'm not gonna do it. So this is probably the one time it's gonna rip higher now. Ah, hate it, hate it. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And again, faking a little bit. This is the first time we touched this 21 EMA since 9:56 this morning, so I don't know. I do not know. I thought you were muted, but it's me. Oh, I'm not muted. I like Buellnox that master accounts stay dormant until activation. Okay, I see. I don't know, Jay Wilson. It's a great question. I have no idea. I haven't heard anything about it in quite some time, so who knows? I don't know. I haven't asked about it either, but I guess we shall wait and see. Micro player 2150K direct. Can you imagine how expensive that would be? I mean, that would be crazy expensive, but obviously, if you would get one payout, it would more than pay for it. But I don't know. I don't know that many people are going to do that. All right, is this where we're finally going to make that move higher? Do we take one more shot at Do we take one more shot at it? One last trade. What could go wrong? Oh man, the 5-minute chart does not look good. Don't like I don't like. This is gonna sucker me into another long here. All right, market, you win. You win. All right, the plan is I will buy right here, and then we need to this is actually a dumb trade now that I think about it. Where can I get support from QuantGuard? RG Futures, they have a Discord server. RG Futures, if you need help or if you have any questions or need help on QuantGuard, go to join their Discord server, and they will help you there. They're really good at helping any issues. This is the last trade of the day. If we get stopped out here, I'm gonna walk away. Just getting man, it's 11 o'clock now. This is a perfect time to reverse market. It's a perfect time to rip higher. At least go up and retest the VWAP. No, don't be like, jeez. Oh, we're taking the short bus today. Scottish Futures Trader, have you had a call with Coach Tank yet? Oh, you mean with Tradeify Scottish Futures? I have actually not, but I want to. I want to do it. Makes a higher low. We could be moving up. That's kind of what I'm. It's kind of what I'm seeing, but I've been seeing it incorrectly all day, all morning. I keep thinking that this is going to rip, but then it doesn't. So I don't know. Might be wrong again here. It looks like we might be wrong again. Is Trump talking? Trump is talking, isn't he? This might not. Maybe we need to. We need Trump. We need Trump here bad. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Are we getting destroyed today or what? Jeez. Come on, market. We need this rip higher. We need it bad. We need a big rip higher now. Oh. This is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good. We just can't seem to get anything going. Man. We really need this thing to pump right here, right now, or we're in big trouble. Rip it! Come on, market. You are seriously starting to frustrate me. Oh my goodness. We are so screwed. Oh, that wasn't. Hang on. Oh, what are we doing? Man, do I. Oh, just can't get anything going. All right, I mean, obviously, our line in the sand here is the 920s. The line in the sand. If we sweep the 920s, that I don't know. We'll try, but that's got to be it. We can't let this thing get out of control. What happened to all the bulls? What happened? Man, this is insane. Do we go big or go home? You know it's going to rip down below the 920s. It's just if it's going to sweep it or not. Market. All right, we got to put a stop loss in here. Things are going to get out of control if I don't. Oh, this is pain. Pain. Gotta be kidding me. I mean, the Bulls just completely left the building. Yeah, we just got to accept this loss, I guess. We can't keep. Oh, man. Get me out of this town. You've got to be kidding me. Did you see that rip as soon as I got stopped out? Did you see that? It literally stopped me out and just ripped a good 10 points. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, how? Oh, you got to be kidding me. We did it again. You gotta be kidding me. Man, do I hate this kind of price. Oh, I just hate it. It is my actual pet peeve. Just nothing. It just keeps. I don't know, man. I gotta walk away. I gotta walk away. Ugh. Gotta walk away, folks. It ain't pretty here. Go long. Nice try, Jay. Ugh. Yeah, I gotta walk away. I'm locking my. I know how these days go. I have seen it too many times. I don't know what, like there's something wrong in my brain that it just like I'm not even I don't know. It's not like I want this thing to go rip to the 2450s again, but I'm expecting some kind of little bit of a move higher. Jeez. It's just nothing. Nothing. Just not cool, man. There we go, down below the 910s. Would I say this week's price action has been terrible? I mean, yesterday's price action was great, but yesterday was fine. But on Monday was terrible, and today just the same thing. I mean, honestly, the price action isn't terrible. I should rephrase. Price action really isn't that terrible, but when you're going against a trend, that's my problem. I mean, let's call a spade a spade. if you just trade the trend here, this is beautiful price action. It's not that it's, I mean, it's literally perfect setups for shorts all day long. I just refuse to look at shorts, and that's on me. So if you're looking for shorts, today was a great day. How do I determine my basis? I mean, I look at the daily chart first. Daily chart, we're breaking out. We're above the all-time highs, and right now, I'm just I think the chance that the market will go higher is a higher chance than it will go lower. So that's why I'm hesitant to go short. I'm just, you know what I should be doing probably, and I know I've talked about this a lot. I do need to watch this Wada Atari explosion indicator a lot more. This is a perfect, like, look at this. The Wada Atari explosion indicator literally gave us a short signal right here, all the way up here above the 24,000s. And we broke this. I mean, obviously everything is hindsight is 2020. So it's easy to sit here and say you should have looked for shorts all day long. But let me just remind you, look at yesterday. Look at yesterday. Similar move happened yesterday, but look at this. We came down to a level of overnight support, and then from the 620s, we went all the way up to the 940s. So yesterday was yesterday would have been fine, but today, nope, we're just continuing to go lower. What's the difference? I mean, obviously, very similar price action in the beginning of the day, and but not today. Today we just keep going lower. I don't know what I don't know what else to say. It is what it is. Trump is talking. Yeah, that's true. Yesterday, I guess the big difference was we had CPI. Market was kind of overreacting to that, I guess. Why don't I look for shorts? I ask myself that, I am, Adam. Honestly, because of like a day like yesterday. Like a day like yesterday is why I don't look for shorts, because I feel like we do that kind of price action more than we do this. But it is what it's fine. Honestly, it's okay. Like, this is always where I take my biggest losses on days like today. I know that. I'm not sure I'm okay with it, but I know it. If I can just somehow now prevent, I don't even need to look for shorts. I guess that's what I'm saying is, I don't even need to look for shorts, but what I need to be better at is trying to pick the bottom. Like, I don't need to do that. Like, just don't take a trade, but should have waited a little bit more for confirmation probably. And we tried to pick the bottoms today and we got stingy fingers. That's what happened. What's the closest you guys have come back from blowing an account? I'm $8 away. That's a great question, guys. Guys, do you guys remember the time that I was $4 away? Do you guys remember? Who here remembers that? I was once $4 away from blowing an account. And the sad part is we did end up eventually blowing the account, but we came back. It was crazy. $4.63. If you were here, that was an epic stream, man. Was it $4.74? I know Design Knob remembers. That was crazy. That was a crazy, crazy day. Oh, man. That was wild. Oh. But anyway, It is what it is. All right, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it here and just, I got to walk away. If this now rips back up to new highs today, I'm going to be super sad, but I'm still in my brain. I'm still trying to find a way to long and look for long opportunities. And if this just continues to go lower and I fight the trend, eventually I'm going to go on tilt. Eventually I'll go on tilt and things will get ugly. So we did enough damage for one day. These accounts are still in fine shape. We can recover. We can easily recover these accounts. But definitely did some damage. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Oh yeah, market. Try to tempt me. Go ahead. Keep trying. Speaking of epic streams, anyone remember when Trades by Matt lost 20K and made it all back in one stream? I don't remember that. No. Best advice I would give any trader is open the time frame of the candle that is about to open. When a 30-minute is about to open, look at the 30-minute time frame for the trend. Same for a 15-minute candle. That's actually that's a good idea, Snowman. I like that. I like that. Yeah, and then I mean if Trump starts talking, and I mean this thing could just rip like crazy. But I'm gonna call it. Man, I'm frustrated. How do you risk for the next trade to recover 1300? Karubo? Honestly, I don't try to make it all back in one trade. I think if I have a big loss like today, like 1300, then usually I look to make it back in like 2 to 3 days. So if I can recover the account in 2 to 3 days, which would be $400 to $500 profit per day, then we're back on track. Frozen North trader. Why not buy some TPT evals now? What, you just want to see me rage? You want to see me go on tilt? Anyway, I'm going to call it here, guys. So here's the plan for the look at this market. Man, we're seriously going to get triggered here. Okay, so for tomorrow, I'm just, I guess, watch for my YouTube posts. I know why you lost. No Ben and Rose. That is true. That's not wrong. You're not wrong, Tanush. I'm going to post a link where you can watch the live leaderboard if you're interested. For those that are interested tomorrow, I'll try to remember to do that. And hopefully I play a respectable round of golf the next 2 days. And I just don't want to be embarrassed. I know that's the possibility because of my driving can come and go. So I gotta, if I drive the ball well, I really like my chances. But if I don't, things could get ugly. We could go on tilt on the golf course. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. If this actually rips higher now and starts, man, this is going to frustrate me, man. Man. What city is your new house? Sarasota, Micah Peterson. Just remember not to grip the shaft too hard. All right, trades in. Oh, Mr. Wall Street. He called it again. Of course, of course. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. This is. Oh my gosh! Look at this thing go. Unbelievable. I'm so okay. I gotta go. Is that where all the old people live? Yep. Okay, guys, I'm out. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk to you guys. I'll probably do recaps. I'll do a recap Thursday and Friday, and kind of do a recap on. I'll do a recap on my golfing as well. So, all right, take care, everybody. Appreciate everybody, and we'll see you guys on Monday. We will see you guys on Monday. Take care, and God bless.